In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on the download button on Vimeo. This feature is fantastic if you want your viewers to easily download your videos for offline viewing or sharing. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, let's dive right in. First off, you'll need to open Vimeo on your device and sign into your account. If you don't have an account yet, it's a straightforward process. Just follow the prompts to create one. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by your dashboard. This is your main hub for managing all your video content. Next, navigate to the section labeled Library. In the library, you'll find all the videos that you've uploaded to your account. This is where you'll select the video that you wish to enable the download feature for. So go ahead and click on the specific video that you want to change. Once you've opened the video, you'll notice a few options at the top right corner of the screen. Look for the button that says Share. It's usually represented by an icon or the word itself. Click on that. This will open up a new window with various sharing options and links, which we'll utilize shortly. Now let's focus on viewer permissions. In this section, you'll be able to customize how your viewers can interact with your video. It's essential to pay attention here, as this is where the magic happens. Scroll down slightly and you'll see a section that says Downloads. This is what we're really interested in today. When you find the download option, look closely for a toggle switch or checkbox next to it. Simply click to turn downloads on. This action allows viewers to download your video directly. The good news is, once you do this, the settings save automatically. So there's no need to worry about clicking any additional save button. After you've activated the download option, it's a good idea to check if it worked. You can do this by navigating back to the video's main page on Vimeo. You can either do this by returning to your library and clicking on the video again, or by going to the video link directly if you have it saved. Whatever works best for you. Once you're on the video's Vimeo page, scroll down a bit. If everything has been done correctly, you should see the download option right below the video player. This means your viewers will now have the ability to download the video and take it offline. It's really that simple. Enabling the download feature can greatly enhance the user experience for your audience, allowing them to enjoy your content anytime, anywhere. Just a quick recap. You opened Vimeo, signed in, navigated to your library, selected the video, accessed the share options, changed the download setting, and verified the changes. And that's a wrap on today's guide. If you have any questions or if something isn't working as expected, feel free to drop a comment below and I'll do my best to help you out. Remember, subscribing to the channel can keep you updated with more helpful tips and tricks about video sharing and many other features. Thanks for watching and happy sharing on Vimeo.